name is Lucy Evara. I take care of the HR function for BAT East African markets. I lead in the people and the culture objectives of the organization. We're passionate about our D&I agenda at BAT East African markets, more so because diversity is one of our ethos that guide our organizational culture and how we do business. As a local company with a global outlook and presence, we have diverse stakeholders such as customers and business partners, and it is therefore imperative that we have a diverse workforce to meet their various needs. At BAT, we understand the importance of developing a diverse workforce in our ambition to build a better tomorrow. And we are committed to continuously learning, growing, and advancing our D&I agenda at every opportunity. This speaks to BAT EAM's recognition as a top employer in Africa, as certified 5 times in a row since 2018 by the Global Top Employers Institute, for what we are very proud. Thank you. Asante.